Food security is a growing concern in the north. Store-bought food can be expensive and not always fresh. In Fort Smith, a team at Aurora College is hoping to change that. They're growing their own food, sharing knowledge, and working with the community. Carla Ulrich has that story.
And we also have a food bank plot. I forgot to mention that. So we've asked gardeners to give back this year, so they're helping out with the food bank plot.
Sarah Roslin is the manager of the South Slave Research Center at Aurora College. She leads a project called the Boreal Berry Patch Collective. Last summer, the group planted a variety of berry patches around the community. And this year, they're testing out different varieties of strawberries to see what grows best in Fort Smith. Roslyn wants to get people thinking about their own food independence.
It's a project about increasing food security in Fort Smith. It's about opening up the conversation about local food, both like the stuff that we grow and stuff that's harvested traditionally, and finding ways to increase the amount that is grown and harvested locally in the community.
The center also manages the community garden and facilitates free gardening workshops. Trent Stokes is an agricultural technician in training. He says this work matters now more than ever.
I believe that food security is a major thing that is overlooked in the north, and if we can just all get on the same page, we can diminish costs for fresh food, and it's a lot healthier for people.
Another member of the team this year is Jane Mariotti. Mariotti is a master's student at the University of Guelph. She's in the north looking at soil quality. Mariotti will be collecting samples from across the South Slave. They will be using those samples to understand how wildfires and the surrounding landscape can affect the soil quality.
We're going to look at the nutrients in it, the nutrients in particular that are important for growing crops, and see if we can associate any of those nutrients with particular tree species or vegetation communities or any other environmental variables that we can use as indicators to tell people, or this is where the best soils are located.
Mariotti says the work will help locals better understand what crops might thrive in the South Slave and what conditions to look for to find the best soil. Carla Ulrich, CBC News, Fort Smith.